wiase aye wo yenim se ye wo kabima menka bi amamo mu obia etimi kire de wo pe party bia obia etimi adwen nanso so ebebedrum pempe so bi se bibi ekoso e wo man mu na obi ye na adwen se ade we de menka bi na obi so ye na adwen se ade we de me hu ebehema na afa de wo yi ne hu afiri no kwakwa ye se ye de ni akwakwa sine so se ai we de we yi hu afiri esan se wunim se ko baba ebia ebeba bebo enu enti na wotwetwe eye wo hu na abusuafo ene de video bi abepiemu ewo mapono eso a enumu enom yankasa ye nuabe ma wo ye US based broadcaster Calvin Ekwotila wodin sembi ababa betu edwa although say some no one Boston boy edi ewo nanso so yenim se ntuni ben enete ahyaman wow ye kase wo bi efri ahyaman na so obi gangs ewo ahyaman na so like wo bi enyo bi na so obi di agro kwa ahyaman ya hwan ntini ben ena ne ho adwen about na say ye nua be ma ye big nation bi Boston boy ne ho asamwa ena ebeba eye wutim na abusuamo mo nim de ekoso ewo man mu the hashtag face the country ho ensen someone just say edi atrentwie ewo man emu na eno na just say the celebrities no do na de wo mo agim we sorry anu abeka ne de we sorry no abeka de eno ne just say efi aba ena yedi eno ne efi say Ghana for do na edi ewo oman na kame akwa ye say ye nua be ma Stone boy de yente na no kasa ewo sa ensem no ewo na no na Ekwotila emunu ya na tikukum say adenti am answers Nigeria for answers yi ye nua be ma Stone boy e de na no tumu kasa ye campaign ye de obetimi bia enam say ne yonkom ene eye Davido ana say ebiem so no nipa bi ene eye Davido na ebusuafo eno ena je say e ma ni gina so kasa wo ye celebrity e wo senka bibi wo ho no ma wo de kwano betum bi na wo beka no wo sorry a mano makeka eye mano atum na ebedrum ne bia wo betu kwan be free han makwa piemu ewo Virginia ne won krone ba na wo be pa hye wo fo ma bi de gu wo nchen na wo chele na beti ane sa hya ma wo yire che se enkrofo akwakopo ni tirimutuo akwakopo eye wo ba mu etirimutuo no wo ena che se wo be ma eye wani ada ho ne na dodo na ka se ada bi na anyim bia eye Calvin Ekwotila bibia ye bokode obi a ewo na sedi ana so obi a won right ewo memu na ti se wa ye na je so won kasa mfa hanka we de nka efa wo ho ebe na ebusuafo mengutie eye Calvin Ekwotila ensem no ebe ne ba ye betwa so
catch them say we are politicizing issues. Now me say you see the rate of insecurity in Ghana one day obeba America abetra Maryland abe high room ewo abe Airbnb wo Virginia now would ya show for man no start Baltimore man no mundare no 19 born 12 for no now da wo say afro say an robert say wura ofia ball yiri trimutu aball band trimutu e ho na beka kire say everything has been politicized yet kroma ejimi for Jiminy you were supporting NSAS. It's foolishness. America, when you come to America, when they call you a celebrity, come see what celebrities use their influence to do. Now nam Ghana my imagine say muni minyansa chen bi me say one day obeba US no obeba Maryland ono boys ba betena Virginia mobile be high Airbnb atrem anadwene mako Baltimore and Maryland akọ taretare mato sa bon 9 ne bon 12 for mu ndware no as so mu $20 any o ma beda me say oda ba so a na ya fro say insecurity no ashama ni ahuri wo na bow yiri trimutu abow ba ni trimutu na obeka kire me say we are politicizing everything. Foolishness. Mo betena Ghana na munya accident cars na mo bana mo be penti mu a me say ubetube 30 celebrities in Ghana, they cannot provide $5 million. Ninyina show tanga, they don't have anything. Flood cars, Texas, in Suafomo, near the Abai, Hokoro, near the Abai, here for. Today you are telling us when we came, we did not see you. We have politicized everything. And such persons sit there and say the Ghana music industry is bad. They are not helping artists or train them helping artists. No. People are speaking about high fuel prices.
Yo na ebusuafo we ene ensem wa twese yenua be ma Calvin Ekwotila ede etu edwana wo hwe eye ne ensem no emu a na yenua be ma Stone boy odifo e wo sa bia ye no se ba no Nigeria issue wodi na no etu na Ghana de weyi eye nani ede afri eye eso na ebiem wo enso so no se odi no hu ehye obi ediemu na ne de won fa ne hu enhye mu a Who ne say who be pay and until na bossy or Jenny Bagwan way in any Edia to or nim de Ghana for Becca, any de Ghana for a and until they are watching who Eddie everyone. Now I by force, say be a becoso or may one I say, dear, do one I do or who will be a celebrity or use a platform Eddie promoted that pen and I say, who Yansen Nipano Casa Eddie ever because in himself, yeah, we are saying, and also be a new citizens now, your war or may or be any political standard, and say affiliation, baby, original, Emma, so MPP, so NDC, and so I can say Nigeria, a whole voting for. Now say, be any dear mono, baby, I can say any place and into one casa and found from him, and that's what we say, wait there, one fan and no end to one, wait and from so bad and a wire, won't say no dear, it will be on the road, the right, I will bet me Eddie Juma up and a walk as our power and casa, and there MPs nimpen for the Brenano, Akasa Eddie Etia, Ebinoso Akasa Eddie Ama, and this one also and I base one cash, one go for Bibi, now will be a no a day, I can answer no Adanano, no I can't know to my no phone so why I won't any day. Now, so woman said, you have been my hotel, I cannot, I know quite so I don't know. And I was say, you have been my stone boy as so I didn't know a tomb baby. No, no, too much. On Casa for the good, and answer one Casa a year for the bad, say, or Pepiness and answer one support because yet you were in any political party away the war, or may into one Casano, one Casa Entia, and I want Casa Emfa and my Winya, say Stone Boy and Nanuto and some no more, and I say a moon egna. Why didn't you fire and send me a wono? Fabra ever to a jar, too much GH comment section, a beam so like the videos, not share or all the social media platform as so. Ekis Kapa, any media, doesn't it? Your son Eddie Asia, Ebi Macram.